Good morning, guys. Today, I'm going to cook bulalo. Okay, so these are all the ingredients. Bok choy, sweet corn, onions, spring onions, ginger, and then we have the beef shank, guys. I have 4 pieces only, and then beef cubes. Okay, and then we're gonna add the ginger, onions, and then this are the beef cubes. Okay. And then we're gonna cover. Okay, we'll be right back, guys. Okay, the meat is soft, so I'm going to add black pepper. Mm, and then salt. Mm. We're gonna add the corn. Okay, and then we're gonna cover first until the corn will be cooked. Okay, guys. Look, I'm going to taste the soup, guys. Mm. Okay, it's good already. And that's enough. We don't need to put salt. So now, add the bok choy. Okay. Oh, oh, that's very nice. Okay, guys. Uh, the bolalo is done. It's very yummy. If you need more recipes, please hit like, follow, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, D Bro Ja, to my Instagram, D_Bro_Ja, and to my TikTok at The Cooking Show, and to my Facebook page, The Cooking Show. Please follow and subscribe on my Facebook page and Instagram and to all my accounts. Okay, guys, to my personal blog, Dia Valentine. To all my supporters and non-supporters, thank you for watching.